Hi folks, hope you're okay today. It's good to be with you. I'm just making a few videos concerning evolution, and my website is jasonburnspreacher.com, jasonburnspreacher.com, jasonburnspreacher.com. There's lots of good information there that you can study Christianity. Dr. Gitt is an information scientist and control engineer, worked more than 30 years as director and professor at the Federal Institute of Physics and Technology at Brunswick, Germany. And he writes this: technological ingenuity. Each MM3 equals 1U1E1 microliter of our blood contains 5 million red blood cells, so there are 150 million of them in each drop of blood. These highly specialized submarines have no life-threatening torpedoes on board. Instead, they perform functions of life to life. Throughout their 120-day lifetime, they are refueled with oxygen 175,000 times, while simultaneously offloading the waste product of oxidation carbon dioxide in the lungs. These little transporter ships are so tiny they can squeeze through the most narrow capillaries to reach every part of the body. Every second, 2 million new red cells are produced containing hemoglobin, a remarkably complex compound. Hemoglobin is used for transporting oxygen even during development of the embryo. Up to about a third month of pregnancy, its oxygen needs are distinctly different from those in the ensuing fetal stage, which are different again from the needs of the infant and adult. All three stages, embryo, fetus, and life, require the reproduction of chemical different form of hemoglobin. Shortly before birth, for example, the body's factories start switching to top production mode of the third adult type of hemoglobin. These three types of hemoglobin could not have arisen by evolutionary process or trial and error because most of the varieties of the chemical cannot carry enough oxygen and would thus be deadly. Even if the right form of hemoglobin were to somehow arise to supply of stages without the genetic coding to produce the third form also being present, the outcome would still be certain death. The evolutionists and rationalists will say this. They will say that intelligent design movement has been debunked and exposed. Absolute nonsense. That's a lie, a total, utter lie. And is an argument from authority, not actual cogent argument, looking at things in a more scholarly way. There is a code in the DNA. And where there is a code, there is information. And if there's information, where did that information come from? And to say that, oh, it's been debunked, is not an argument. It's not even intellectually cogent, it's just an argument from authority. The complexity of the human cell is a good evidence that there is a designer, and as proof positive that evolution is a complete, utter lie. God bless you. Macroevolution. God bless you.